Hi everybody. In this video I will show you how to test parts of the robot Fashion Lab, parts 6A through 6C and also 7A through 7C. So if we look at the description of the Fashion Lab over here, under the robot, 6A through 6C are some of our accessor methods, and 7A through 7C are some of our mutator methods. So what I will do is show you how to right-click on certain parts of your Greenfoot project to test to make sure that these methods work the proper way. So if you go to your Greenfoot project, you will need to place a robot into the world. What I like to do first is right-click on the robot and then hit Inspect. That will show me some of the features of the robot. So as you can see, the torso number and head number are not really set to anything right now. And is the robot robed? Well, there is no robe on the robot, so that is false. Let me see if I can change some of these values of the data fields by calling some methods. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and call some of my mutator methods. So I will right-click, go to Inherited from Robot, and then one of my mutator methods was set head number. So let me go and click on that, and it doesn't matter what number you put in this case. I'll go ahead and set it to 5, and hopefully that will do something. So click OK. Now there's no noticeable change, but what you can do to make sure this worked is right-click, hit Inspect, and if it worked, then the head number should now be 5. So looks like it's doing what it needs to do. I could change some of these other values just the exact same way. So let's go ahead and right-click, go to Inherited from Robot, and let's change Set Robed, and in this case it takes in a Boolean. So since it's taking in a Boolean, I'm going to set it to true. And then when I click OK, looks like nothing happens at first, but let's hit right-click and then Inspect. And then as you can see, is robot robed is now going to have the value of true. So it looks like it is working. Now let's test the accessor methods. So the accessor method should actually spit back the proper values of the data fields. So if I try to get the torso number, it's going to spit back 0. If I try to get the head number, it will spit back 5. And if I try to get whether it's robed or not, it will spit back true. So once again, right-click, Inherited from Robot, and let's get the torso number, which I believe is supposed to be 5. So let's right-click. I guess that was supposed to be 0. Let's do the other one. I think it was head number that was supposed to be 5. So right-click, go to int get head number. Okay, that's 5. That looks good. So that accessor method looks like it's working. Right-click, Inherited from Robot. Let's see, is it robed? And if I right-click, it's supposed to say true, which is the exact same value as the inspected field is true, just like this one. So that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and just, if you have any questions, you let me know. Thank you.